like a rising tide. From Sydney coast to the world so far, VK calls out like a...
G'day guys, Paul VK2LQ, and we wound this common mode choke about a few months ago. I've done 2 of these. One's been up in the air for about 2 years. This one's been sitting around. So I finally decided to print a 3D case for it. Just put it in. Got some SO239 connectors there. And we're just checking the SWR before we hot melt glue it in place. So there's our SWR reading on the coil. We've just got a dummy load fitted and a RigExpert to have a look at what the SWR is across those 5 bands. And if we had a high SWR and you wanted to check it, you would simply put your meter on and just adjust the windings in and out, which will adjust and affect the SWR. So I'm pretty happy with the way that is now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it in place. So hopefully this should be ready to go. And we'll just put some glue on it now and lock it all in place. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a bit of flow happening. Have to let that heat up a bit more. So you're better off getting some glue over the windings because you don't want them to shift. So we'll just put some there. That'll keep it fixed in place. If you've ever opened up any type of ballon, you'll find usually they're hot glued in place to make sure that nothing moves. And we'll just put some around the center so it glues to the mount there so it doesn't move. Okay, and I probably should have found another glue stick, but I haven't got many left, so we'll have to get some more. That should be more than enough, so we'll just check. So we've got some hot glue on there now. Just let that dry in place. That'll keep it pretty much fixed, we hope. Might have to find another glue stick. But as you can see, our SWR readings, we'll check it and make sure that it's holding in place. Oh, yep, that's pretty much locked in there now. So that's good. That's what we want. So that's fixed. So hopefully those windings won't move. And we've got our lid here somewhere. Our lid will go on there. And obviously the dummy load will come off. That's pretty much all ready for mounting. So if you want to do your own toroids, a bit of hot glue keeps all the windings in place and locks it in so it doesn't move around. And you're good to go. All right, guys, 73s, all the best. Take care until next time. Cheers for it.
Shining bright. Yeah. In the silent airwaves, we stand as one. VK to DX.